What is the practical example? As we have already seen lots of practical examples for roller support, I might go with cycle. As I have said you earlier, I am very bad at drawing, please bear with me. Okay, so I am having a cycle. So cycle is there. So we have a pedal, we have a chain, and we have something known as a pedal. Okay, so it comes out like this. So what do? One guy will stamp. Okay, one guy, obviously it's going to be me because I'm explaining here right now. So I'm going to stamp it. What is going to happen? It's going to rotate freely, obviously, right? But will I be able to push this pedal in the vertical direction downwards like this? Obviously no. I could be able to stand on it. In childhood days, while the height was not apt for riding a cycle, what will you do? Obviously we'll do a half pedal, right? Obviously it happens. That time we can make sure that it doesn't go down. Will you do you think that it will move in the x direction like this? Obviously no. But it can rotate. This kind of joint can be known as pin joint.